Psalm 91 verses 1 to 2, Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Psalm 121 verses 7 to 8, The Lord will keep you from all harm, He will watch over your life, the Lord will watch over your coming and going both now and forevermore. Proverbs 18 verse 10, The name of the Lord is a fortified tower, the righteous run to it and are safe. Isaiah 41 verse 10, So do not fear, for I am with you, do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 3, But the Lord is faithful, and He will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. Psalm 34 verse 7, The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear Him, and He delivers them. Exodus 14 verse 14, The Lord will fight for you, you need only to be still. Isaiah 54 verse 17, No weapon forged against you will prevail, and you will refute every tongue that accuses you. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and this is their vindication from me, declares the Lord. Psalm 46 verse 1, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.